How to download Netflix app. Firstly, you need to open up Play Store or App Store on your device, and there on the search bar, search for Netflix. And in order to download and install the Netflix app on your device, you just need to tap on Install button. And once you tap on it, download will be started. Now here, installation has been started. Your app has been downloaded and installed on your device. And here you will be able to see Netflix app on your device. Now that's all it takes to download your Netflix app on your device.
How to download Netflix application on your PC. When it comes to downloading Netflix application on your PC, you'll need to remember that Netflix is available on many devices. You can install Netflix on your Android phones, iPads, and also on your Windows. If you'd like to access Netflix from your internet browser, you can go to www.netflix.com and press enter, sign into your account, and you'll be good to go. But if you have a Windows 8 or Windows 10 computer and you'd like to download the app for the Windows, what you can do is go and open up your Microsoft Store from the Start menu. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account, and once you are, go to the search button in the top right corner and click it on. Type in Netflix into the search box and search. You'll be able to find the Netflix application in the search result on the next page. Click on the application. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see an install button at the right corner. Click on that button and your download will start. Wait until the downloading process is finished. And once it is installed, click on the launch button to open it up. And there you have your application downloaded on your computer. Now you can go to the sign in button in the top right corner in order to log into your account. But if you don't have one, click on Get Started, choose your plan that you'd like to start with, and that is it.
How to sign up for Netflix. First of all, go to your web browser and type netflix.com in the search bar and hit enter. After doing so, it will take you to the official site of Netflix, and here enter your email address and click on Get Started. Now click on Next. It will then ask you to create a password to start the membership. Enter your email and password and click on Next. Again, click on Next. Now choose the plan that's right for you and hit Next button. Choose your payment method and click on Start Membership. So, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. This is how you sign up for Netflix.
How to log into Netflix on your desktop. In order to log into Netflix on your desktop, click open any web browser first. Now, in the search area, type in www.netflix.com and press enter. When you end up in the official website of Netflix, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and you'll end up in the sign in area. In the email or phone number text field, type in your email or your phone number that is associated with Netflix. Now, head over to the password text field and type in your password for your account. You can double check by clicking on the show link right beside your password box and you'll be able to reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your email or phone number, you can leave this box checked where it says Remember Me. But if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box before signing in. You can also log into your account with your Facebook account. To do so, click on Login with Facebook, but remember that you must be signed up with your Facebook account in order to be able to log in with your Facebook. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on this link right here where it says Sign Up Now and follow the instructions so that you can create a new account on Netflix. After you're done entering all of the credentials, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Netflix account. Netflix is an American over-the-top content platform and production company. You can watch thousands of TV shows and movies from around the world As you reach to your home page of Netflix, go and click on the profile icon in the top right corner and you'll be able to see an expanded menu. To manage your profile, click on the Manage Profiles button. All of the people that are using your Netflix account will be shown in the list right here at the top. If you'd like to sign out of your Netflix account, click on the Sign Out of Netflix button of the pop-up window and you'll be able to sign out of your Netflix account as well. How to sign into Netflix on your iPhone. Start off by opening up your Netflix application from your app drawer. If you've not downloaded the application yet, go to your app store and search for Netflix. Download the application on your device. Since I've already downloaded it, let me tap on the Open button to launch the app open. Allow Netflix to send you notifications by tapping on Allow. Right at the bottom of the screen, you should be able to see a sign-in button. Tap it on in order to end up in the login area. Right where it says email or phone number, type in your email address that is associated with your Netflix account or your phone number. Once you type in your email address, head over to the password field. Type in your password correct as well. If you'd like to double check your password, you can tap on the show link right next to the password box. If you've forgotten your password, simply tap on Recover Password button right under Sign In box. Finally, after typing in all of your information, tap on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Netflix account on your iPhone. How to buy Netflix gift card. If you'd like to buy a gift card so that you can pay for Netflix or to just give it as a gift to one of your friends, now let's get started. Log into your Netflix account. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see a profile. Click it on and from the expanded menu, click on Account. On your account page, at the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see an option that says Where to buy gift cards. And you'll be taken to a next page where you can buy online gift cards or you can also contact to one of these stores to buy it in a store. Pick any one choice. I've chosen the Buy Online option. Now choose the store from where you'd like to buy it online and click it on. On the next page, you'll get to choose from the categories of popular gift cards. Go to the Netflix category at the top under Popular Categories and now choose a Netflix gift card that you'd like to buy. Click on Buy in order to move on to the next step. Choose the number of cards that you'd like to buy and once you do that, click on Continue to check out. Enter your email address into the text box and click on Continue to check out. On the next page, select a payment method that's suitable for you. Let me select PayPal. Click on I have read and accept by going through the information and click on Place Order. Soon after you do that, you'll be receiving the gift card on your email address that you typed in. Once the gift card arrives, you'll be able to watch Netflix until the gift card balance runs out. How to change your billing date on Netflix. Start by opening up a web browser and sign into your Netflix account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to your profile icon at the top right and from the expanded menu, click on Account. At the right hand side, click on Change Billing Day and you'll end up in this page. Now you can choose a new billing day by clicking from the drop-down. Your billing date corresponds to the day you signed up for your Netflix account. If your billing date is scheduled for a day that does not occur in every month, you'll be billed on the last day of the month instead. In order to change your billing date, go and click from the drop-down and select the day that you'd like to change to. For example, if the billing date is changed from 1st to the 10th, you'll be charged for the first 10 days on Netflix. After you're done, click on Review and Confirm, and therefore you'll be able to change your billing date on Netflix quick and easy.
How to change region on Netflix. So, to change the region of our Netflix on any device, it's actually very simple. First thing we need to do is go to netflix.com or the Netflix app and you want to go and sign into your account. Now when you sign into your account, you want to make sure Remember Me is ticked, as this means when we refresh our Netflix account later on, we'd have to sign back in. Okay, so once you're signed into your account and you're on your profile, you want to go ahead and minimize Netflix, as we'll come back to it later. So, what we need to do now is to trick Netflix into thinking we are from another country so we can view that country's content, and that's exactly what a VPN is going to do. So, the VPN we're going to be using today is called IPVanish VPN. So, the first thing we need to do is click on this drop-down box here, and you want to select the country you want to view the content from. So, in this case, we're going to select the United States, and you want to make sure we're on best city and server available for the fastest and most reliable speeds possible. Then click on Connect button in the top right-hand corner, and it's going to connect to your given country. So, once you're connected, when you go on the internet, it's going to think you're browsing from your given country rather than your real location, which is great for viewing content on Netflix and anywhere else on the internet. So, once we've done this, minimize VPN, and then go back on the Netflix website or app and refresh it. And once you've refreshed it, should be using your location that you selected. So, in this case I selected United States. Here it says programs in the US today, and we can go ahead and browse Netflix just as we normally would. This is it, guys. This is how you change region on Netflix. How to change video quality in Netflix. Changing Netflix video quality can help ensure that you're always seeing the best picture quality. It can also help balance the data use on a Wi-Fi network so that everyone who's connected has a good experience. Whatever your goal, it's crucial to understand one thing: you don't change video quality on each device. Netflix video quality settings are changed in your account and then are applied automatically to every device signed into the account whose settings you changed. For now, the important point to understand is you can change the video quality settings for every device you use Netflix on by following steps mentioned in this video. So, let's begin. After you have signed in on Netflix, click the profile icon in the top right corner. Select account. Click the profile whose video quality settings you want to change. Now click Change button next to Playback Settings. Click the button next to the video quality you want to use on all of your devices and click Save. How to change password on Netflix. There are plenty of reasons why you might need to update your Netflix password. Perhaps your account has been compromised, you've given your login details to one too many people, or you've simply forgotten which password you set in the first place. Whatever your reason, it's a good idea to update your passwords regularly, and we've created this video to show you how to do it. So, first of all, click on your profile image. This will be in the top right corner of Netflix. You'll want to follow these steps in the desktop browser version of Netflix. Click on Account. You can find this option in the drop-down menu. Now choose Change Password. This will be in the membership and billing section of your Netflix account settings. Enter your current password and then your new one. Now hit on Save button. That's it. You've updated your Netflix password.
How to change your avatar on Netflix profile. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.netflix.com and search. Log into your Netflix account, and once you do that, from the home page of Netflix, go and click on your profile icon at the top right. From the expanded menu, click on Manage Profile. Under Manage Profiles, click on your profile, and now click on the pen icon right above your profile avatar. You get to choose from a range of icons which are already preloaded on Netflix. Simply click one of the avatar that you'd like to use for your profile and click on Let's Do It. After selecting that option, you can see that your profile avatar has been changed. Click on the Save button at the bottom to save your changes.
How to change language on Netflix. There are plenty of fantastic TV shows and movies on Netflix that weren't originally recorded in English. There's Dark, Squid Game, and Money Heist, just to name a few. Sign into your account as you normally would. You can skip this step if your account is set to automatically sign you in. Hover over your profile picture. You should be able to find your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. It's right next to the search bar and notification icon. Click on Manage Profiles. This should be the first option under all of your account's profiles. It has the icon of a pencil next to it. Click on your profile. You'll then be shown all of the different profiles on your Netflix account. Click the profile which you want to change the default language for. Pick your preferred language. You should see 31 different languages available in a drop-down menu. Once you're happy with your chosen language, scroll down right to the bottom and hit the Save button. Don't forget to click the Done button at the bottom of your screen to confirm your selection. Once this is completed, Netflix should switch to your newly chosen language. If you don't want to change your profile's default language, but want to watch a specific show or film in its original language, then you can do so by clicking the speech bubble icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is a good option for watching a TV show, say Squid Game, in the original Korean language, but you don't want every other TV show switched over from English.
How to change payment method on Netflix. Now let's get started. Click open your web browser and log into your Netflix account. Go to your profile icon in the top right corner and click on Account. At the right hand side of the page, you'll be able to see an option that says Manage Payment Info. Now, if you want to remove a payment method, then you won't be able to remove it until you add another payment method. So click on this button right here where it says Add Payment Method and choose your payment method by clicking on this button. Type in your payment informations and click on Save. Now, once you add a new payment method, you'll be able to delete the older payment method that you are currently using. How to cancel Netflix auto renewal. Unfortunately, you won't be able to remove the auto payment method on Netflix and keep it manual, since Netflix is an auto debit recurring service, so you will be billed automatically on your billing date. There's no option for the manual payment whatsoever. So there is no way you can change your auto renewal to manual settings on your Netflix account. The only thing you can do is go to your profile icon in the top right and click on Account. From this page, you can simply go and click on Cancel Membership if you don't want Netflix to take your money automatically on your next payment date. That is the only way you'll be able to stop it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.